Alrighty guys, it's another day and your boy's back with another package. And this one's a big boy. This motherfucker is huge. I bought the cleanest fenders on the internet. So I hope I paid a lot of money for the fucking OEM metal fenders. So let's see. Driver's side. These things are packaged hella good, that's for sure. They're pretty clean. Little dents, but I can get rid of them. These things are really clean. I'm really happy. I paid a lot of money for these things. They're not perfect, but they're the closest to perfect I'm gonna get. There's a few little dings that it has, but nothing too crazy right there. And then there's like one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna bundle it or take it somewhere where somebody can fix it for me more legit. Alrighty guys, so today I am gonna bundle my fenders because it does have little dings. I already sanded down where the little dings are, but other than that, like, yeah, it's just little. I can feel the little dent right here, a little dent right here. I see another one right here. I'm marking it down right now with 80, and I'm gonna mix up some body filler and lay a little bit filler. Hopefully I don't screw it up. All right, so I did the first layer of Bondo. I threw it on kind of thick. Obviously, I'm just gonna sand it back down, see how it comes out. And luckily it's just little dings. I'm not doing nothing too crazy, so it's something I can hopefully do. Pretty clean compared to my other one. You look at this one, you can see it's buckled in, and then the other one looks like he used his dog to roll the fenders, because legit it's all wrinkled. It's so I can't wait. And then I'm gonna be painting it the same color as the front bumper, rear bumper, and the hat. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but you can kind of see it's it's like a more pale yellow, white than the actual paint, but it's whatever. All right, so I just filled in this one right now. I hit it with 80, 180, and then 320, and it came out smooth. You can't see none of the dents, which is really cool. Pretty stoked on that. And then I am gonna be doing this one next and that one, and then have that next fender. I'll probably do that another day. This is just for right now. Quick, easy done, and then gonna be ready for prep it for primer. We'll be all ready to go. Super stoked. I threw on the first couple layers of primer. It's coming out clean. As you can see, you can't even see the dents anymore, which is really nice. Look at that, perfect. So I'm just hitting it with a few primer right now. The sun's going down, so I'm finishing up. I didn't finish all the way. I just did the first spray can. So it's starting to turn white, but then the camera kind of looks still kind of gray because of the sunset. But it's coming along. It's not perfect. I ain't no body guy. I'm just trying to get a somewhat white fender on my white car instead of having the typical 240 with different matching colors. At least it's gonna be a crappy white, but at least it's gonna be white compared to a red. So I'll take it. So I'm really excited. I can't wait. So you guys want to see my neighbors? These are my neighbors right here, guys. So this is I'm already done with the other fender. I'm done bondoing it, already painted it. I just need to do the wet sand and clear coat. So now I'm gonna be working on this one. I don't know if you can come over here and see the little blemishes or the little dents it has. It has one, it has this one right here, as you can tell. I'm just gonna mark it. I'm using the 80 grit. I'm just gonna mark it where this thing is. So that's one. And then I have another one over here. I have this one over here. A little indentation right here. Put a little slab up. So now it's just ready. I scuffed up the paint so the Bondo can. We have our marks. We have our marks sanded down. It's just 3 little dots, so we don't need that much Bondo. Just gonna need a little baby amount. Set that bad boy up so we can use it on our next project. Beep beep beep. That should be fine. Alrighty, as you can see, I have made the dent disappear. See that hole? Oh yeah, gone. Nice and smooth. So yeah, this was the last 320, and then before that I hit it with that 180. So on to the next. Look how smooth that is. Bam, clean. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not at all.
Looks real smooth.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit tricky because of the little bump it has. I have to make sure I don't go too hard. If I reveal that, as long as I don't reveal what's around it, because then I think it will be flush whatsoever. But we'll see right now. See if my theory works. Alrighty, so it's been a few days. I already finished bondoing it. I did the first primers. I did 2 cans of primers, wet sand with 1500, and then I did 3 cans of duplicate color perfect match universal white. This is the same colors. This is the same colors I did with the bumpers and trunk. And as you can see, I finished that one. Show them a little bit. All right, so this is pretty much done already. I just got to go again wet sanding with 2000, and then go with the polishing machine. It came out pretty cool. I'm very surprised. So for being spray paint, it came out pretty decent. The camera can't really pick it up, but it came out okay. Better than having it just red. It's not bad at all. As you can see, I only use the best new products in-house. As you can see, is my brand new 2020 bucket. Never been used.
Never been used.
Never been used, you know, so it's, you know, you just dabble your little thing right here. She's a little rough, so we're gonna sand her down, get all the rough edges out. And I ain't no painter, no fucking mechanic, no, I'm just a random dude on the internet. We ain't no mechanics here. Nor body guys or nothing. Donald Trump. That's what I get for saying that.
Steady head.
So we're doing the first can. I'm gonna be doing 2 cans. All right, we're good. Like I was saying, this is my first can. Gonna go, and then do the other can, and then let it dry and wet sand it. No, she's gonna let it dry, and then maybe another day we're gonna wet sand and polish them.
Yeah.
This is the final result. I'm not going to polish them anymore. I'm just gonna leave it like that. They do have some orange peel, as you can see, but it's whatever. I'm not tripping about it. I feel like if I were to try to do it, I'd probably just mess it up. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this is both of them. They came out all right. A little gloss to them, nothing too crazy. But like I said, I don't want to polish them. 'Cause I probably just burn up the clear coat and whatnot. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Alright, so I am doing a t-shirt giveaway. This is the t-shirt, Akimbo Flow. That's the brand I'm starting up. These things are not even released yet, so this is one of the shirts I'm gonna have out for sale. So yeah, this is legit my car. So you'll have one of the first ones out. And the way to win it is you gotta pretty much go to my Instagram. Link will be in the description. Go on there, share my latest post on your story, tag me, and that you guarantee an enter to win a shirt and a sticker too. Thank you so much. Yeah.